Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open eBay in your browser and sign into your account. Once signed in, go to the URL bar and just type ship/PRF and press enter. This will take you to Shipping Preferences page. Inside the Shipping Preferences, you will find Combined Shipping Rules. On the right side of this option, click on Edit. This is where you will be able to create rules that automatically combine shipping when customers purchase multiple items from your store. Now you will see 3 different types of rules you can set. The calculated shipping rule. This rule is useful if your shipping cost depends on the weight or size of the items. With this option, you can set a base weight for the first item and then make each additional item add only part of its weight. eBay will then calculate the total shipping cost automatically based on your rule, which helps ensure buyers don't overpay. For example, you can choose the option to combine all item weights, so the shipping cost is calculated based on the total weight of all items together. Then we have the flat shipping rule. Click on Edit for this option. This rule is useful when you want to combine multiple items into one package and charge a single flat shipping cost. For example, you can charge the buyer the highest shipping cost among the items and then add or subtract an extra amount for each additional item. The third option is the promotional shipping rule. This rule is mainly used for offering discounts or free shipping. It applies to listings that include shipping discounts. For example, you can set a minimum purchase amount that qualifies the buyer for combined shipping or even free shipping. This can help encourage customers to buy more items from your store. Once you have configured your rules and saved them, eBay will automatically apply combined shipping for most buyers when they purchase multiple items from your listings. This makes the checkout process easier for customers and helps prevent them from overpaying for shipping. And that's it. So that's basically how you can combine shipping on eBay when a customer orders multiple items. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.